Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am your host Chef Savio Pereira, and today we are going to make vegetable stock. So vegetable stock is used to flavor your soups, your sauces and any other stews that you like. So let's get started. We are making the vegetable stock now. For the stock we have 2 liters of normal temperature water, some roughly cut onions, roughly cut carrots, roughly cut celery and roughly cut parsley stem. Along with that we have some peppercorns and bay leaf. Apart from this, if you feel like you have any other raw vegetable trimming or leftover, you can add that. It will give much more richness and flavor to your stock. So we'll start with the vegetable stock. We add in the vegetables one by one. Now you can switch on the flame and allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, we can put it on simmer. So now our stock is boiling. We'll just keep it on simmer, and now we'll add the bay leaf and peppercorn to it. We are adding this at the end so that the color of the stock doesn't change to a darker color, and it will be easier to use in all our dishes. So after 30 minutes of simmering, vegetable stock is now ready and we are going to strain this. So now our base stock is ready. We can use this stock for any soups, sauces, stews.